Hey, welcome back to another video of programming basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add repository in your GitHub account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in github.com and click on enter. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, at the left hand side of your screen, you can see a create repository button. You can also see here. Now click on this button and type in the name for your repository. You can also add description here. You can select private to make a repository private, or you can keep it as a public. Now add a readme file. After that, click on create repository. Now you can see that we have created a repository successfully. So that is how you can add a repository in your GitHub account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.